Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the Luminkey 65 in the polycarbonate edition. With this build, I wanted to make something that I could take to college and still enjoy, so mainly I was looking for something lightweight, easy to carry around, small, and with a wireless dongle as an option in case I needed it. Additionally, I wanted the board to be quiet, which is why I'll opt into some PCBWAY silent switches. Along with the board, we find quite a lot inside the kit. First, we have our hex key and screwdriver. A wireless dongle, which is one of the main features that I was hoping for, and two small extra rubber gaskets in case you lose yours. Additionally, they also include a braided cable. In this kit, I also found plate mounts, which I was pretty surprised about. I haven't seen those in a really long time. Finally, just another keycap and switch puller. At first glance, the board looks fine, but personally, I don't really like this topographical weight. Since I'm going for a lighter build anyways, I decided I would just take it out. I did notice that the weight didn't really seem to add anything to the build. I tried it both with and without the weight and there was not much difference. I thought that after the weight was removed, the board actually looked much cooler than it did before. I kind of liked how the battery was shown through the slits on the back. Since I'd be typing a lot, I wanted something tactile to build this board with. So here we have the light gray PCBWAY silent tactile switches. I found that these little rubber gaskets were actually really easy to lose. I think I actually had to end up using the two spares that came along with the kit. I would recommend taking them out of the plate and storing them safely when the kit is not built. My experience building the Luminkey 65 was actually really nice. I didn't notice any issues at all and everything was really straightforward. Even after I removed the weight, I found that it just worked perfectly fine, which was amazing. Finally, for our keycap set today, we're going to be using an EPBT set. This says Hangul on it, which was the main reason that I wanted to use it, but also it has a nice gray retro theme that fits with the polycarbonate. Fun fact, this was actually bought off of Teha Types. I think our final build turned out great. The board is really light because of how many internal pieces we were able to just strip out. It's really quiet because of the PCBWAY silence. It looks great, it's light, the wireless connectivity is amazing. There's not much to complain about. I got everything that I wanted to out of this build. Before our final sound test, thank you to PCBWAY for sponsoring today's video. PCBWAY's OEM EMS service provides a one-stop solution to help you create a final product from an idea. Boasting an impressive inventory of over 100 materials and lead time starting from 1 business day, PCBWAY has you covered. Something I found cool is that you can even order other people's finished projects. For example, here's a super neat macro pad design I found. Whether you need to prototype a project, get something CNC machined, or 3D printed, PCBWAY is always the correct choice.